Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ever struggled with boiling eggs perfectly? Too soft, too hard, cracked shells, or uneven cooking every time? And multitasking in the kitchen makes it even worse, especially in the morning rush. What if you could get perfect eggs every single time with zero guesswork? Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 12 eggs capacity electric egg cooker and steamer. This compact kitchen gadget is designed to make egg cooking effortless. Cooks up to 12 eggs at once. Multiple cooking modes: soft, medium, hard-boiled. Includes tray for poached eggs and omelets. Can also steam vegetables. BPA-free trays for safe cooking. Fast heating system for consistent results every time. Compact design, fits easily in any kitchen space. No more guesswork, just add water, press a button, and let it do the rest. Pros: very easy to use, even for beginners. Consistent egg results. Multi-purpose, eggs plus veggies. Saves time in busy mornings. Cons: plastic build may feel lightweight. Limited to small batch cooking style. Needs cleaning after every use for best performance. Perfect for busy professionals and students. Fitness lovers who eat eggs daily. Families needing quick breakfast solutions. Anyone who wants hassle-free cooking. Not ideal if you only cook eggs occasionally. At around $33.99, it delivers strong value for a multifunction kitchen tool. If you eat eggs regularly, it easily pays for itself in convenience and time saved. Number 4. Meet the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, 6-egg capacity smart kitchen cooker. This compact device makes egg cooking simple and precise. Cooks up to 6 eggs at once. Multiple cooking options: soft, medium, hard-boiled. Special modes like onsen tamago, poached eggs, and omelets. One-touch digital control menu for easy operation. Audible alert with on/off option. Auto shut-off for safe, worry-free cooking. Consistent results every time, no overcooking or cracking. Compact and space-saving design for any kitchen. Just add water, select your mode, and it handles everything automatically. Pros: very easy one-touch operation. Precise cooking results for different egg styles. Compact and travel-friendly size. Auto shut-off adds safety. Cons: only 6 egg capacity, not ideal for families. Mostly plastic build. Needs learning curve for perfect water measurement. Perfect for singles or couples. Students and small households. Fitness lovers who eat eggs daily. People who want quick, consistent breakfast cooking. Not ideal for large families needing bulk cooking. At around $29.99, it's an affordable smart kitchen gadget. Great value if you want fast, mess-free, perfectly cooked eggs every time. Number 3. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 eggs electric multifunction kitchen cooker. This compact egg cooker is built for fast and easy breakfast prep. Cooks up to 6 eggs at once. Multiple cooking styles: soft, medium, hard-boiled. Includes poaching tray and omelet maker. Fast heating for quick results. Auto shut-off for safety and no overcooking. BPA-free materials for safe food use. Compact design fits small kitchens easily. Simple one-step operation, just add water and start. Perfect for hassle-free egg cooking every morning. Pros: very easy to use for beginners. Quick cooking with consistent results. Multifunction, boil, poach, omelet. Compact and lightweight design. Affordable price point. Cons: limited capacity, only 6 eggs. Mostly plastic build. Requires correct water measurement for best results. Ideal for students and single users. Small families or couples. Fitness-focused users eating eggs daily. Busy mornings needing quick breakfast. Not suitable for large households or bulk cooking needs. At around $29.99, this egg cooker offers strong value. You get multiple cooking modes, safety features, and convenience in one compact device, making it a budget-friendly kitchen helper for daily use. Number 2. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 eggs capacity electric multifunction cooker. This upgraded egg cooker brings speed and convenience to your kitchen. Cooks up to 6 eggs at once. Multiple cooking modes, soft, medium, hard-boiled. Includes poacher tray and omelet maker. Fast and even heating system. Auto shutoff prevents overcooking and adds safety. BPA-free materials for safe food preparation. Sleek black design with stainless steel build for a premium look. Compact size, perfect for small kitchens and countertops. One-touch operation, just add water and press start. Simple, fast, and reliable egg cooking every time. Pros. Stylish stainless steel finish. Easy one-touch operation. Consistent cooking results. Lightweight and compact. Multifunction, boil, poach, omelet. Cons. Only 6 egg capacity. Plastic parts inside despite metal exterior. Requires accurate water measurement. Perfect for students and busy professionals. Small households or couples. Fitness enthusiasts eating eggs daily. Anyone wanting quick breakfast solutions. Not ideal for large families or batch cooking. At around $29.99, it offers strong value for a stylish and multifunctional kitchen gadget. You get speed, safety, and convenience in a compact design great for everyday egg lovers. Number 1. Meet the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 electric egg cooker, all-in-one breakfast cooking system. This is more than just an egg cooker, it's a full breakfast helper. Cooks hard-boiled eggs perfectly every time. Makes poached eggs and sous vide style egg bites. Includes a 5.25-inch non-stick skillet. You can scramble eggs or fry small meals. 6-in-1 multifunction cooking system. Fast heating for quick breakfast preparation. Non-stick surface makes cleaning easy. Compact design but more versatile than basic egg cookers. Consistent results with simple controls. Perfect for full breakfast variety, not just boiling eggs. Pros. Extremely versatile, 6 cooking functions. Includes skillet for real cooking options. Easy to use and clean. Great for breakfast variety. Reliable brand quality, Hamilton Beach. Cons. Slightly heavier than basic egg cookers. Takes more counter space. Not ideal for large batch cooking. Perfect for breakfast lovers who want variety. Small families or couples. People who want more than just boiled eggs. Busy users needing quick meal options. Not ideal for large households or bulk cooking needs. At around $32.95, it offers excellent value for a multifunction breakfast station. You're not just buying an egg cooker, you're getting a mini cooking system for daily meals. If you want easy, fast, and versatile breakfast cooking, check the link in the description for today's price. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.